AI in text recognition. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for AI in text recognition, beginner level introduction. AI in text recognition means using artificial intelligence to detect, read, and understand text from images, documents, or real-world scenes. Text can appear in many forms: printed documents, handwritten notes, street signs, screenshots, photos, scanned PDFs. AI makes it possible to convert this text into machine-readable format. This is commonly known as OCR, optical character recognition. Examples include reading text from images, scanning receipts, recognizing license plates, converting handwritten notes to digital text, extracting text from PDFs. This topic helps beginners understand how AI can see and read text like humans. It introduces important AI concepts such as computer vision, OCR, pattern recognition, image processing, NLP, natural language processing, deep learning. What is AI in text recognition? AI in text recognition is the use of intelligent systems to detect and convert text from images or documents into readable digital text. In simple words, AI in text recognition equals using AI to read text from images or files. A beginner view includes detect text in an image, recognize characters, convert to digital text, understand meaning, use extracted text in applications. Why AI in text recognition is important. Text is everywhere, but not always in digital form. Manual typing is slow, error-prone, inefficient. AI helps by check, converting images to text instantly, reducing manual effort, improving accuracy, enabling automation, supporting accessibility. Basic areas of AI in text recognition. Area purpose: text detection, locate text and images; character recognition, identify letters and numbers; handwriting recognition, read handwritten text; text extraction, convert image text into digital format; text understanding, analyze meaning using NLP; image preprocessing, improve image quality for better recognition. Example of text data: image text equals total amount 500. Print image text. Example of text detection logic: image equals receipt image. If image, print, text detected in image. Simple AI text recognition example: Python, text equals hello world. If hello in text, print, text recognized successfully. How AI in text recognition works. Step 1. Input image or document. File type equals image. Step 2. Pre-process image. Improve image quality. Remove noise, adjust brightness. Resize print image preprocessing done. Step 3. Detect text regions. Print detecting text areas. Step 4. Recognize characters OCR. Recognize text equals amount 500. Print recognize text. Step 5. Process and use text. If amount in recognize text, print extract amount value. Receipt scanning. AI reads receipts automatically. Receipt text equals total 250. If total in receipt text, print total amount found. AI in license plate recognition. AI reads vehicle numbers. Plate equals ABC 123. Print detected plate. Plate. AI in handwriting recognition. AI converts handwritten text. Handwritten equals hello. Print converted text. Handwritten. AI in document digitization. AI converts paper documents into digital text. Doc equals scanned document text. Print digital version. AI in text extraction. For applications text equals email example@gmail.com. If in text, print email detected. Full menu-based text recognition example: def detect text. Print text detected in image. Def recognize text. Text equals input. Enter recognize text. Print recognized. Def extract info. Text equals input. Enter text. If amount in text.lower, print amount detected. Else print no amount found. While true. Print N1. Detect text. Print 2. Recognize text. Print. 3. Extract info. Print. 4. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, detect text. If choice equals 2, recognize text. If choice equals 3, extract info. If choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from AI in text recognition. OCR, fundamentals. Image processing basics. Pattern recognition. Text extraction. Computer vision concepts. Real-world AI applications. Real-life analogy. AI in text recognition is like a person reading text from a photo. It can look at an image, find text, read the words, understand meaning. Ways to improve a text recognition project. Use OCR tools, Tesseract, Easy OCR. Apply deep learning models, CNN, transformers. Improve image preprocessing. Handle multiple languages. Use NLP for text understanding. Build real-time scanning apps. Integrate with mobile cameras. Add error correction. Common mistakes beginners make. Assuming perfect accuracy. Ignoring image quality. Not preprocessing images. Mixing OCR with NLP concepts. Not handling noisy data. Where AI in text recognition is used. Banking, check processing. Retail, receipt scanning. Transportation, license plates. Healthcare, medical records. Education, digitizing notes. Governance systems. Mobile apps, scanner apps. Large systems may include OCR engines, vision models, text extraction pipelines, document AI systems. Simple definition. AI in text recognition. The use of artificial intelligence to detect, read, and convert text from images or documents into digital form. Final summary. AI in text recognition allows machines to see and read text from the real world. It enables fast text extraction, reduced manual typing, improved accessibility, scalable document handling. By learning this topic, beginners understand how AI connects vision and language.